Techniques for brainstorming and generating new ideas. Brainstorming is a technique for generating a large number of ideas in a short period of time. It is often used to find new and innovative solutions to problems or to generate new ideas for projects. Here are a few techniques that can be used to facilitate brainstorming and generate new ideas. Freewriting. Freewriting involves writing down any and all ideas that come to mind without stopping to evaluate or censor them. This allows for the free flow of ideas and can help to overcome writer's block. Round-robin brainstorming. In round-robin brainstorming, participants take turns coming up with ideas, with each idea building upon the previous one. This can help to generate a large number of ideas quickly. Mind mapping. Mind mapping is a technique for creating visual diagrams that show the connections between different ideas or concepts. It can be used to organize information and to find new connections between ideas. Crazy Eights. Crazy Eights is a technique where participants have 8 minutes to brainstorm and write down as many ideas as possible. This technique creates an element of fun, urgency, and creativity. Reverse brainstorming. Reverse brainstorming is a technique that involves identifying and solving the opposite of the problem. This can lead to unexpected and creative solutions. Random input. Using random words, images, or ideas as a starting point for brainstorming can lead to creative and unexpected ideas. Starbursting. Starbursting is a technique that involves asking what or how questions about a topic. It's used to explore new possibilities and find new perspectives. These techniques are designed to help facilitate brainstorming and to generate new ideas. By using a variety of techniques, it's possible to overcome creative blocks and generate a larger number of innovative ideas.